Hi my friends, today I want to challenge you to a contest. No more, no less. You see here we have an object, yes? A bearing body. This is not so complicated but neither simple. Yes, you see every feature of this object. Good. All you have to do is to create this model by using the same data I used myself from this drawing. I made the collages for you by using fragments of the original. You have also that fragments. This is one of them, another one. The words are in Romanian, but when you see here secțiunea in Romanian, you understand that this is a section, yes? The prefix R is for radius. You have to ignore the signs for quality of surfaces, geometry, and other special tolerances as well. No, you use only the data. You see here 4 holes, metric 10, with a depth of 20, equidistant. Yes, is very clear. 2 holes, gauri in Romanian is holes. Diameter 8, ignore the tolerance. The next one is this one. Ignore tolerances and no other special indication in the Romanian language. Now you will learn language, my language. 2 holes, diameter of 22, you see here. I prepared for you some pictures in order to understand as well as possible the part. Even a section like this. You can create a section very easy by using section view, half section view for instance, and using a plane, this plane. Okay. And you see inside the part. Yes? But after you create the part, I want you to understand each and every feature here. You have here the contest rules. Strict adherence to the shape and dimensions of the part. Small radii not dimensioned in the drawing will be radius 2. Indicatively, the procedures will be applied according to tutorial number 162, showing the modeling of a piece similar to this. It is not necessary to apply material application and surface appearance at the end. Where are the drawings and pictures? You have to download the file with the name of this tutorial from my site following the well-known link tutorials of the fastgroup.ro. This is the result after you watch the tutorial number 162. It is not compulsory to respect identical that procedures, but you have some suggestions there. You don't have to finish the part with surfaces like this. The shape and the colors here are enough. Material is generic and the aspect of surfaces is default. What do I expect from you and vice versa? You will send to me the IPT with a name, your surname .ipt, for instance, Constantin IPT. If the first name is identical to another competitor's, I will add a suffix taken from the sender's email address. I will use the email address to send the prize to the winner of the competition. And the prize consists of a PDF book written by me, namely Album cu 100 piese mecanice, which can be found on Google Play using the link in the description of this tutorial. Since this album is only with the pictures, you see it in Google Play. It doesn't matter that the book is written in Romanian because only a few pages out of 208 are with text. The rest are pictures. How do I select the winner? The winner will be the one who sends me the correct model first. Others can buy this book on Google Play for approximately 4 or 5 euros or dollars. We are all waiting for the winner because I will ask for his picture or her picture and make him or her famous in our Inventor world. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I'm waiting for you.